Dr. Karen comments in adding her voice to the call for public transportation operators to operate at a reduced capacity amid the continued surge in COVID-19 cases, said that the government's abrupt decision to allow buses and hire cars to return to packing their vehicles like sardines is devoid of sound reasoning.
Unless you do that when you see some kind of order, when you see it going down a little bit, some kind of plateauing, then you can say 25 and then 10 into the entire. But I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right at all. Because this is people's lives. I know you're trying to. I normally say public health must not be sacrificed to profit.
The authorization by the government came on December 1st when the country had recorded 5,423 cases of COVID-19 and 151 deaths. The Shadow Health Minister is suggesting that in the absence of a reduction in cases, all public transportation operators should be allowed to carry half of the passengers their vehicles or vessels are licensed to transport.
I would say 50% continues for another month or so, and then maybe for the New Year 25, because now it's December. And then for the New Year, we can probably go to 25 and we see people are, because it's behavioral change too. People are still not wearing masks, and so you're going to, because remember, this thing is airborne. It's airborne, and the droplets, you sneeze, you cough, and you're nearby someone who has it, you're taking it home to the vulnerable group.
The minibuses are currently operating with 15 passengers, which is equivalent to 3 passengers per seat, while the speedboats transport in excess of 30 passengers at a given time. Similar calls have been made by the president of the United Minibus Union, Ian Andrews, who opined that minibuses should resume transporting 2 passengers per seat. The gazetted COVID-19 order in March disallowed public transportation providers from carrying more than 50% of their passenger capacity. The order was later updated to 75% passenger capacity. However, the gazetted order issued on December 1 stipulates that all transportation service providers can resume carrying the total number of passengers which their motor vehicle, vessel, or aircraft is licensed to carry. Timeka Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.